Cycling is becoming an increasingly popular way to get around Halifax and across Nova Scotia. But unfortunately, accidents do happen. Many serious cycling injuries happen at intersections and busy roads without bike lanes, when drivers don't see a cyclist until it's too late. Even low-speed impacts can lead to serious injury. This is when Wagners can help. Having worked with injured cyclists for decades, we know the importance of carefully assessing the roadway, traffic patterns, sightlines, and whether adequate space was given on a road. We also take the time to understand how an injury has changed our client's life. For cyclists, that can include time away from work, loss of independence, or no longer being able to ride. Our role is to tell our client's story so insurers understand the full impact of the collision and ensure fair compensation can be pursued.